welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and how are we all doing today? Today is Tuesday, so it's Terminator Tuesdays. So we're going to be doing issue 88 of Build the T800, and I'm looking forward to this because we're going to be adding some more detail for the lower leg and putting the lower leg actually on the Terminator itself. So yeah, I can't wait to get this one done. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Right, let's get started. So what we need to do, we need this bit here first of all, and then we need this bit here as well. And this is the inner hip casing, and we need to put it down in there over the pegs for the screws. So let's get that in. Okay, that's in. The next bit we need is this bit here, which is metal. And we need to put this in. This is the hip joint, so that's in there like so. And the next thing is we need the Terminator bringing across, because we need to attach this to this, and it has to be done in a certain way, I do believe, because it's got to marry up with the inside of here. So so you can see, and I do believe that's in place, and then we need to screw that down with a PM 3x8mm screw. So we'll bob the screw in there, try and get this screwdriver on it. It doesn't want to go on it, to tell you the truth. We'll do it this way instead. Thought it might be an easier the other way, but it doesn't want to be. No, lining this screw up is not that easy. One, it's a heavy screw for a start, and two, it just doesn't want to go in. So let's try again. So if this is a bit off camera, but I'm having to bring it a little bit closer to me. Right, I do believe that's going in. I can feel it tightening. So I'll bring it back into shot a little bit. Just making sure it's nice and tight. Okay, and that's the first bit done. The next bit is we need this bit here. This is the outer hip joint casing, and that's just going to be slotting down into there like that. Next we need the metal dome hip joint cap, and that's going to be going into there like that. Okay, so turn the page of the magazine, and then we need the outer cap joint, and that's going to be going on like so, but we need to line it up because we've got some screws to put in. And we need PM 2x18mm screws. So let's get them lined up. And that's the first one in. I'm going to go around and tighten these once it's done. Sorry, I didn't realise I was off shot of camera there, but I didn't need to see what I was doing. That's the thing when you bring big models over. But when I have my Christmas break, that'll all be sorted once when I have my new layout done, which I'm really looking forward to doing, because I'll be able to bring a lot more better videos for you people. Okay, last screw going in. Right, I'm just going to go around making sure that these screws are tightened up. We've got some movement there, which is great. Okay, and that is this issue done. So yeah, we've added basically another leg for the Terminator here, looking very, very nice. And yeah, so we have two upper legs now on the Terminator. So yeah, nice, quick, simple issue, and yeah, I'm all happy with that. Well, that's it for today's Terminator, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, nice, quick, easy issue, but the Terminator normally is when you're building it, and it's an absolutely excellent model. Like I said in the build, hopefully after Christmas, when I take my Christmas break, I am actually going to be improving things slightly in here, because now I've got quite a lot of subscribers. I want to be able to create better content for you all. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now. I'd just like to give a shout out to all my patrons that help and support the channel. Please check out their channels on YouTube as well, and thank you very much for watching.